In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable motion sensors on your Chromebook web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up your Chromebook browser and select the menu icon up at the top right, and then go down and select Settings. On the left panel now, select Privacy and Security, and then select Site Settings at the bottom of this list. Select or expand additional permissions, and then select Motion Sensors, and select Don't Allow Sites to Use Motion Sensors, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.